Then Gunjan, please tell me when did you come Magdumpur?
Uh, from starting of March, I will come in my hometown. This is my hometown, and my I love this my village because in there the environment is very much better.
Please tell me, I have come to that you would be doctor. Then definitely everyone would be good doctor. But when became doctor,
Yes.
then promise that when we became doctor, then literally I treat the poor person freely.
Yes.
Every doctor, the student doctor, they say that. Please tell me, I promise better. What is your opinion about this matter? When we will be doctor, then what can do? Can you treatment the poor person freely or not?
Yes, of course. I treat poor person freely because in other doctors are not taking serious than anyone because I also in me I have this incidents because my mother have so serious condition critical and no one is treating her freely because her go he her is her opinion and tabiyat is very poor condition.
How can I say this go on?
Because her eyes was damaged.
How can this exchange go on?
She's falling down
Okay,
in home.
When now I have come to that you are studying 8th class.
Yes,
8th
yes.
class. What is your school's name?
Ishan International Girls School. It is high school and it is English medium school.
Okay.
Yes.
Definitely today came my coaching center next to my home. How do you feel?
I feel so excited and very much better.
How did you come here? I mean,
Um, I
with whom?
yes, with my relative because I don't see this place.
Okay. I'm so happy that you came here and you are studying English language
Yes.
because you know that the rural area, I mean to say your first friend Pragati Kumari,
Yes.
but she is not able to English language and
I
typically-
don't feel that because she is very much intelligent and talking with me easily in Hindi. So I
do
also
you like
talking.
to speak?
Yes.
Do you like to speak in Hindi language?
Yes. I not speak in English all time because I don't like it. मतलब anyone teacher or student in English talk in English with me, then I conversation and continue with her and him.
But everyone say that we have Bihar boards as students are not able to speak English language because he has no practice. But how can say that I may say your first friend is Pragati Kumari. When Pragati Kumari will begin to speak to you in English language, then how can I mean to say that how long time does she take to speak language like this?
She take 2 months and 1 month. She's allowed in her practice me her conversation and it is agar much than better so she is try to speak in English 1 month. 1 month come days 1 week. That's
Okay. This is depend upon make practice.
yes her
अगर
practice.
she I mean so Pragati Kumari does nothing but make practice every
Yes,
moment then
I
no
will,
doubt.
I will, I will.
This will depend upon environment. Okay.
Yes.
Please tell me what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and maths.
Favorite subject?
But maths I don't. My marks is not full and.
It means you don't take interest in it because you want to be a doctor.
Yes.
Then you shall have to chemistry, physics, and
I
biology.
mostly like biology.
Okay.
Yes.
That's bad thing, but also definitely your mathematics will be average, no doubt.
Yes.
In 100%, 100 marks, how numbers you will get?
In bio,
No mathematics.
Oh,
in 100%, 100 numbers.
78%.
That is more than that is very
No.
good numbers. But your
I
father.
don't like it.
Please
My parents
please
also
tell me,
don't
please
like
tell me
it.
what your father, because you hail from Magdumpur. I mean,
Yes.
but for the time being, your permanent address is Sogna, Amidanapur.
Yes.
Then what do you want to say about father? What does your father do?
My father is this Havaldar in CRPF, and he is very much better in maths.
Okay.
Yes, he is topper in maths, and her daughter is average in maths.
That is very good. I mean, what did you say about mother?
My
Mother
mother.
qualification? Qualification?
My mother is only studying in matrix, and she's like Hindi.
Okay.
She's not don't know English very well, but means she's talking English easily, but she's not interested in this. She's only speak Hindi.
Thank you very much. That is Gunjan Singh today came in my house home and definitely speak this language. I am Sodapi. She is studying 8th standard and definitely very good student and also a smiling girl and also बहुत fantastic. And today came here. I am निश्चित तौर पे पता नहीं चल रहा कि कैसे घुल मिल गया मन में और अच्छा लग रहा है और इनकी जो दोस्त है प्लीज